Hello, kids! Today we will learn 50 fruits names. Let's start! Can you guess this fruit? It's apple! What fruit is this? It's mango! Can you guess this fruit? It's banana! Do you know this fruit? It's orange! Can you identify this fruit? It's grapes! Can you guess this tropical fruit? It's pineapple! What fruit is this? It's papaya! Can you guess this fruit? It's guava! What fruit do you see? It's watermelon! Can you identify this fruit? It's muskmelon! Can you guess this berry? It's strawberry! What fruit is this? It's blueberry! Can you guess this tiny fruit? It's raspberry! Do you know this fruit? It's blackberry! Can you identify this fruit? It's cherry! What fruit is this? It's peach! Can you guess this fruit? It's pear! Do you know this fruit? It's plum! Can you identify this fruit? It's apricot! Can you guess this healthy fruit? It's kiwi! What fruit is this? It's pomegranate! Can you guess this juicy fruit? It's lychee! Do you know this colorful fruit? It's dragon fruit. Can you identify this fruit? It's passion fruit. What fruit is this? It's avocado. Can you guess this hard fruit? It's coconut. What fruit is this? It's lemon. Can you guess this fruit? It's lime. Do you know this citrus fruit? It's sweet lime. What fruit is this? It's jackfruit. Can you guess this fruit? It's custard apple. Do you know this fruit? It's sapodilla. What fruit is this? It's fig. Can you guess this fruit? It's date. Do you know this berry? It's cranberry. What fruit is this? It's mulberry. Can you guess this fruit? It's starfruit. Do you know this fruit? It's persimmon! What fruit is this? It's tangerine! Can you guess this fruit? It's breadfruit! Do you know this fruit? It's nectarine! What fruit is this? It's gooseberry! Can you guess this fruit? It's jamun! Do you know this fruit? It's wood apple! What fruit is this? It's pomelo! Can you guess this hairy fruit? It's rambutan! Do you know this fruit? It's mangosteen! What fruit is this? It's longan! Can you guess this fruit? It's durian! Do you know this fruit? It's olive! Great job, kids! Now you know 50 fruits' names! Thanks for watching! Subscribe for more fun learning videos!